Hey y'all, it's been a while. We've been pretty busy here on the farm. There have been a lot of different things that have been keeping us busy. This is one of those things. We got back into our milk routine. But more importantly than that, we just finished up our 2021 fair season. And I know that might not seem like a lot of work, but guys, it takes a lot of preparation, a lot of work, and a lot of follow through. But now that we're done, I kind of want to let you guys see what's been going on around the farm. So this is officially an update video. I hope you guys enjoy. Roll the clips. Happy Hatch Day. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. And I really I'd almost given up on these guys over here because the first date came and went. Second date, it was supposed to be this weekend. And I came in here and was like, beep, 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 beep. And we got 2 hatch days in one day. I've got my co-parenting ducks over here, and if you look real close, see just hiding under there. Oh my goodness, congrats. Guys, I did not expect that. I did not expect that at all. So today's been kind of crazy. We're in 4-H mode. And then these gorgeous boys are a little wet. You guys might notice they're out here, they're just with our horse trailer, but it's because they both got a bath, and I'll be clipping them because it is so hot here. It has been so hot this weekend. It's been one of those where it's like, oh my gosh, like it's summer, it's not spring anymore. We're in the throes of summer. So yesterday it was in the 90s and it had almost 95% humidity, so it felt wonderful. We're still clearing off that tree that fell. It's just been an interesting couple of days. We're also getting ready to pull blood on Poco Loco, Merida, and Tiger Lily to see if they're confirmed pregnant, and also on Rose because now she's old enough to have blood drawn on her for her biosecurity panel testing. You look like a new man. Oh, look at that butt. Oh boy. You look like a new man there, Wobbles. You look completely different. What happened to him, Buzz? It's gonna happen to you tomorrow too. You're gonna be a new man too. Like literally, guys, today has just been a day. It's been a day. I'm tired, which is always such a good, rewarding feeling. After you've been busy on the farm all day long, and like it's like 8 o'clock right now. You can't really tell because like here it's not going to get dark until like 9:30. It's like 8 o'clock right now, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get inside and cool off a little bit, get some of this nasty fur on me. You guys, can you see that back there? Right there? Look at all that hair. He was really fuzzy. So we've also got a lot that's been going on with our beehives. We were able to harvest our first bit of honey, which you guys saw and enjoyed. If you didn't see it, I'm gonna link it up top. You can go back and enjoy it. But the bad thing about harvesting this honey is that because we use foundation frames, we have to scrape everything, and it's a terrible mess. The good news about that is we can recycle it back and give it back to the bees. You guys got to see this. I found it. As you can see, they're just all in there. And Joe's old John Deere wagon is perfect to kind of just set up these frames, honey super frames and brood box frames, just enough far apart for them to kind of rob out.
Shows us a lot of strength and power in those feet and legs. I no problem.
Walk every day? That's good. This is the Grand Champion Broiler. Grand Champion Broiler, Josie Burton. Want to say anything before we sell it? Okay, here we go. Josie Burton, Grand Champion Broiler. $800 there, you think of $800 there.
So since Fair Week is over and I finally got to come out and look at my garden, there's been so much that's happened out here, and sadly I haven't brought you guys along for a lot of it, but we've got some balsam growing. You guys can see that? Look how pink and beautiful it is. It is really gorgeous. And then I've got some back in here, as you guys can see, is a beautiful shade of red. So pretty. Super pretty, but that's not all. Look. Look at all my zinnias coming up. In the very back we've got amaranth, there's celosia, and then we have buckwheat. All this white sprigs of buckwheat, and then the wall behind me, that's sunflowers. Now you guys can see why we've been so busy. And things are starting to get back to normal, slowly but surely. But here is my main focus now. My main focus now is getting these goats ready for linear appraisals, which means I still need to be milking, but I need to allow myself a little bit of a break. So I brought myself back from a 2-a-day milking to 1 time a day. This is kind of just to help me pace myself. And once we get notification as to when our linear appraisals are, then I'll start milking twice a day again to get these girls back up to maximum capacity so that we are ready for our linear appraisals. I'm really glad that we're starting to get back to normal and that you guys will start seeing normal videos again. So make sure you drop down in the comments what you want us to catch up on next time. Remember, we've got beekeeping, we've got chickens, we've got milk goats, gardening. There's all kinds of things that we can be doing. So just drop that down in the comments, guys. I'm so happy to be somewhat back to normal, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you comment, leave us a like, and subscribe. But until next time, guys, make sure you're staying healthy out there and being kind to one another. Bye, y'all.